So this looks like simultaneous equations. You have one equation number 1 and you have equation number 2, but and you know simultaneous equation has two methods, substitution and elimination method. But if you see clearly that we're not solving simultaneous equations, we're finding the value of the second equation. In simultaneous equation, two equations will be given. It's 5x plus 6y plus 7, 3x plus 2y equals to say 3 or 4. Then we have to find the value of x and y. They're not telling us to find the value of x and y in this one. They're just telling us to find this value. What will be this? So here we have to use the knowledge we gained from solving this kind of equations by substitution method. What you have to do is basically this is given to us and this is not given to us, so we have to convert this equation to look like this equation. As you can remember, we can multiply an entire equation or we can divide an entire equation by a certain constant, any constant. So if I multiply by minus 2, then it will become minus 3 into 2 minus 6, x into 2 2x, 2 into 2 4, y into 2 2y. So like this, we just need to make it into this. So let's, for the first step, we will rearrange the terms to exactly the way they have given us in the question. So we'll put over here y, we'll put over here x, and we'll put over here blank for the first equation. So let's write the first equation. Minus 3 plus x equals to 2 plus y. We will bring the y term in the first place because that's how it is over here. So plus y on this side of the equation will become minus y in this side of the equation. Then we have x value, we already have x value plus x, and we have minus 3 over here. When it goes to the other side, it will become plus 3 plus 2, which is plus 5, and minus y plus x. Now we somewhat we look like this. Yeah, as you see, this is plus 2y and this is minus y. How can we make 2y into minus y? We multiply, we try to make any one of them same, inshallah it will become similar. Look, so we multiply this entire equation by minus 2. If we multiply by minus 2, what will happen? Minus and minus will become plus. 2 into y will become 2y. Minus and plus will become minus. X and 2 will become 2x equals to 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. So as you can see, 2y minus 2 is equals to dash, 2y minus 2x equals to 10. I tried to make one of the value to look like this, the other also started looking like this. Now you might ask that how did you know this one is minus 2? Easy. We want to minus y to look like 2y. So what will we do is divide one term with the other, like divide 2y by minus y. So this is how we want it, this is what we have. So divide how we want it, what we have. So what will happen is y and y will cancel off. 2 divided by minus 1, because 2 divided by minus 1 is what? Minus 2. That's how we know that this value is going to be minus 2. But most of the time this is common sense, like you can see clearly that what we have to multiply. If it's not clear, then what we want divided by what we have will give you what's the factor that you need to multiply with. For example, if you had 6 on top and 3 over here, how do I make 3 into 6? We do 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2. We had minus 6 on top and 3 on the bottom, as in like we wanted to have minus 6 but we have plus 3. What will you do? Minus 6 divided by plus 3, it will be minus 2. That means we have to multiply plus 3 with minus 2 to get minus 6, and hence this is one of the options in your answer.